Hey guys, this is Alex here over at Hoffman Construction. Just wanted to let you guys know it is officially fall. We know that for a couple of reasons. One, the Vikings are 1-3. Two, the Twins are already out of the playoffs for who knows how many times in a row now. And the third reason we know it's fall is because we are doing our official gutter promotion. What that promotion is it is 150 free feet of seamless gutter with the purchase of a new roof between now and the end of November. So make sure you get on our schedule. We've still got plenty of time to get your roof done this year to make sure that we can take care of you. So give us a call today, set up your appointment for one of us to come out and take a look at your roof, and we will help you from there, and we can throw in that 150 free feet of gutter. Thank you.